My name is Gabe. This is my channel. Welcome. This channel, we're going to center around money, finance, the money that you make, how to make more, how to take care of what you have. I hope you really enjoy this channel. I'm going to try to be as informational as I can, from things about buying a car, to buying a home, to what the market's doing, and how do we navigate around all that. You know, especially in today's generation, we want to be smart with our money. We see all these guys on Instagram buying $500,000 cars and living in $1 million houses, and honestly, most of it's not real. So we want to know what is real. How do I be smart with the money that I have? How do I turn that money into more money? What are good investments? What are bad investments? These are things that we're going to talk about on this channel. And if you have any ideas, or if you have any questions, listen, if I don't know, I'll find somebody who knows. And I'll make sure that we do a video on it and we get you all the information that you need. This channel is going to really help a lot of people, I think, because probably one of the least talked about things, I don't know about you, but when I went to high school, nobody told me about my credit score. Nobody told me about how to buy a house. Nobody told me what an interest rate was, but I can do the hell out of some algebra, right? You too? Awesome. So when you come here, I want you to be able to find information that's going to help you. My name is Gabriel. I own a life insurance agency here in San Antonio, and we do a couple $1 million a year in business. I'm only 30, but I've been very successful at a very young age, and I want to tell you what I know and what I've learned, things that have helped me make lots of money and things that have cost me hundreds of thousands of dollars. So I want you to be there with me. I want you to come along on the journey. I hope you enjoy the channel. Do me a huge favor, hit this like button. Everybody talks about it, smash the like button. But most importantly, would you do me a favor and subscribe to this channel? I want it to help lots of people understand more about the money that they do have and about the money that they don't have.